Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be making macaroni cheese with mozzarella. That is organic sweet basil, fresh from the backyard. Yan. Tapon mo yung stem, just throw away the hard stem. Yan. Yummy. I hope you are enjoying my video. This one is really tasty. So easy to make. Very easy to make. All you need to do is boil some water. That's about 2 liters of water. And I use that Barilla elbows, or you can have a regular one if you want. Any kind of macaroni. Yeah, that's a pound, by the way. Yan. Pakuluin mo lang siya, boil it for 7 to 9 minutes. And then I add half a tablespoon of salt on the boiling water. And when it's done, drain the water, throw away the water, and add your cheese. I added about 1.5 pounds of cheese. You can add more if you like. Cheesy, very cheesy. Yan. And then add your salt. I only add a half tablespoon of salt. Yan. And then 1.5 cup of yogurt. And then half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. I use fresh. It's tastier when it's fresh grind. And 2 teaspoons of ground onion. Yan. Yummy. All natural. Yan, look how sticky and creamy. So yummy. I hope you're enjoying my video. Thank you for watching. Please let me know if you want me to cook anything else. Yan. I have sweet basil in my backyard. Those are all organic. Those smells really good on your pasta. Yan. There you go. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time. Hopefully, bye. Have a great day. Have a blessed day. Bye. Enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.